Okay.
So, hello everyone. So today we will do a role play on 24-hour diet recall. So basically, 24-hour diet recall is we recall anything we eat, we drink 24 hour, which means yesterday, 24 hour day. Okay. So
Okay.
I am Atira as an interviewer, and Dashni will be my interviewee. Okay. So we start.
Okay, start.
Okay, so Dashni, yesterday what did you eat? What
Okay,
did you eat?
yesterday I skipped breakfast. We
Hmm?
had presentation going on, so I skipped my breakfast and then I proceeded to lunch. So lunch I had like rice. Normally I'll take rice, 2 scoop of rice.
Two scoop. So
Yes.
you use this scoop?
The normal senduk nasi.
Yes, this is the normal sendok nasi.
Yes, that is, yes, I normally take that two scoop je.
So usually you take rice heat or just flat?
Sorry, rice macam mana?
Heat, heat membumbung.
Okay.
Scoop,
Oh, okay,
satu
okay.
scoop
Flat, flat, flat.
flat, flat. So two
Yes.
scoop flat.
2 scoop flat, yes.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then I had my mom did this prawns where she fried with the tepung.
Prawn,
They
coated,
yes,
coated
coated.
prawn.
They call it
So,
tempura, macam tempura udang, fried.
ha ha ha.
Okay, so I had that around. I think I took that about 5 pieces of udang.
5 pieces.
5 pieces of udang, and then I took a Chinese bowl soup. You know the Chinese soup bowl,
This one?
the mangkok. Yes.
Okay. Soup.
Okay, that mangkok, I had a mix. It's like fishball soup with mixed vegetable. The other cauliflower and cabbage together. So that was like almost one. I can say one bowl lah, one soup bowl.
Okay.
So I add that, but then I didn't finish it. The rice I had left over like maybe I think the rice I had. I think almost. I won't say almost. Maybe 2/4 of rice I couldn't finish.
2/4 you not finish. So you only eat 1/4 only.
Yes, yeah. 1/4 rice I finished. I didn't. I 1/4, 2/4 rice. Yeah. You can say like that. So I didn't finish because the soup made me so full. Tapi
Oh,
yang the prawn makan memang kena makan prawn. And then I had some. I think maybe the fish balls, maybe three to four fish balls, and then others was like cabbage and cauliflower soup. So I just drank the soup, and that was all for lunch.
okay.
Then for water, I just took water, plain water. I normally just take plain water. Lepas tu, in between, I had a slice of cheesecake. Around maybe evening, tea time.
Tea time. Tea
Yes, tea
time.
time. I took a slice of cheesecake, but the cheesecake is not the regular cheesecake. It's like a sponge cheesecake. This memang very spongy lah.
Like
Spongy.
sponge cake.
Yes, sponge cake. Yes, sponge cake. So I took like a very small slice, very small slice. Half inch, 1 inch, half inch, like memang kecil, slice dia kecil lah, macam kek lapis, 2 kek
Uh-huh.
lapis punya size.
Oh, okay.
So
So,
gebu-gebu kan, so it's like one slice, just one small slice. Lepas
okay.
tu, then straight to dinner. Dinner I had we had chapati, so I had 2 chapatis.
2 chapatis.
Yes,
So, do you remember the size?
yeah, the size is a normal chapati, not too small, not too big, medium.
So this is piring. Is
Sorry?
that this is piring? Is that this big or bigger than this piring?
Yeah, almost the piring size.
Okay. Almost the piring size.
Okay, so it's like that 2 chapatis. Then I add it with sardine.
Sardine.
Yeah,
Only
cooked sardine.
the gravy or you eat with the fish?
Fish. The fish was memang dia hancur-hancurkan. The fish was there, but just like very small, tiny pieces.
Is
Maybe
that one matchbox?
Okay, yes,
smaller?
you can say one matchbox smashed because I took more of the gravy and not the sardine.
Okay.
Yes.
And then for drink?
Drink plain water also. Then that's all. Did I have fruits? No. Yes, that was about it. That was my 24-hour dietary recall. Then after dinner, I stopped eating. Oh
No
wait, I
supper.
forgot. I add like two pieces of muruku.
In dinner or
No,
supper?
after dinner, maybe around 10 o'clock.
Okay.
Almost you can say supper. I had two muruku. Also medium size, not so large.
Okay. So drink also plain water.
Plain water.
In the middle, do you take any snacking?
No, the only snack I took was a cheesecake. Then after that, supper it's like two muruku. That's all.
Okay. Mm, okay. So I think that's it, right?
Yes, that's it.
So I think we need to proceed to the comment.
Okay, based on what I have learned during this 24-hour dietary recall is, if you can observe, I did miss out a few details like muruku. I almost forgot because it's like just one or two, right? So if I take like a lot of big portion or like banyak kalau I makan, maybe I will recall, I makan banyak tu. Tapi just because I had one or two, I tend to leak. I tend to forget that information.
Because it's just a snacky in
Yes.
between.
Yes, it's just like one two kan. So we easily forget. When we tend to eat more, then we remember like dia yang tu made me so full, satiety. So maybe I'll say I add that. So in dietary recall, maybe we forget small details.
You usually don't eat.
Yes, normally I skip, but then if I wake up very early because I wake up late, only for classes I wake up early. So when I wake up late, I usually skip a breakfast.
Okay. So basically, we can say that usually you take 4 meal times.
Yes, you can say, but then the supper is not. Just because it's Diwali season, I had muruku. So that's why in my house is like this. It depends on the food availability. We don't have snacks or tak ada. Kalau ada pun fruits je. So when we have snacks, then maybe I snack. But then other than that, from young we don't. My mom didn't train us to snack. Kadang-kadang je. So that was it. And then one more thing about this 24-hour dietary recall, I see advantage is bila you tanya semalam, I boleh recall. But if you ask me day before yesterday, I might forget.
Yeah.
So maybe 24-hour dietary recall is easier for me to recall.
So do you think this 24-hour diet recall can reflect your throughout the week or month? Basically, the usual food intake.
Dietary pattern, is it?
Ha.
I don't think so because yesterday was a bit lighter. I took chapati, rice, but sometimes during like you have moods like you want to eat fast food. I do take fast food maybe 1 month once or 2 months once, not so much. But that is doesn't reflect one day dietary recall doesn't reflect the whole week or the month, any other normal days.
But I think because we learn this throughout the course, so you know how to tell me how much you eat, what is the portion. So but when we are in the clinic, we need to initiate patient to tell us. Like we have pinggan, scoop here, so that they can tell. Oh, this is I use this at my home. So this is how I scoop rice.
Yes,
But
like
then
you showed
because
me.
we learn with that, because that we you know how to tell me how much we eat, what is the portion.
Yes, that is true. Like just now, sardine, I didn't know how to put, but then you gave me a good thing, the matchbox. That was a good description. So yeah, that is the.
I forgot to take the matchbox.
It's okay. I know the matchbox size, so it's okay. So I think like macam we are in the nutrition field, we know how to we know how to measure agak-agak estimation. But
We
then
can
like you say,
describe
yes, we
the
can describe.
portion.
Yeah, I think
So
that
any
this. That is all. Anything that we missed? Any disadvantage that you think that we have in 24-hour dietary recall?
Yeah, like you said, it's not reflect the
Okay.
whole dietary pattern for individual.
Okay. So in
Usually,
conclusion,
usually in clinic, we usually ask patient the frequency, how much they take in a week, so
mhm.
that we can estimate like how much you take the fast food in a week, in a month, so
Yes.
we can estimate that.
Yes, correct. That
But
was
24
okay.
hour they record, not not every day we take
Yes.
fast food. Not
Yes,
every day
correct.
we take snacking. Not every
Yes,
day we eat fruits, vegetables.
correct. Example, if you ask me this 24-hour dietary recall during Deepavali, I think I will definitely been consuming a lot.
Okay.
Okay, I
Yeah, I
think that's
think
all.
that's it.
Thank you so much, Tira.
Okay, thank you. So